Hello friends, myself Hitesh Shahare. I welcome you all. In this session, we are going to discuss about recrystallization. So recrystallization is one of the purification method of solid compound, and this is a preferable purification method in organic chemistry laboratory. It involves certain steps. Step 1 is choice of solvent. Second, solubilization. Third, decolorization. Fourth, filtration and cooling. Fifth, collection of crystals. So these all steps, let us see one by one. Selection of proper solvent, that means whenever we are having any impure compound and we want to proceed for its purification, we are using this recrystallization method for solid compound. The first step is selection of proper solvent. How to choose a suitable solvent? So whenever we want to dissolve a impure compound in one solvent, that compound shows two properties: either that compound may get solubilized or that may insoluble in that particular solvent. So these two criteria fulfilled by the particular compound in that selective solvent. So the particular compound should be insoluble at room temperature in selected solvent, but it should be soluble at the boiling point of that respective selected solvent. So that is a criteria to choose a solvent. Once we selected the solvent, secondly, we have to dissolve that impure compound in that solvent at the boiling point of selected solvent. Afterward, once we are getting this clear solution, then we have to add a pinch of adsorbent. We can use here decolorizing carbon as an adsorbent. So after addition of this adsorbent, it will absorb the colored impurities, and after addition of this, we are supposed to heat only for 2 minutes, not more than that, because it is absorbent. It may absorb impure color impurities as well. It may absorb the pure product also. So after 2 minutes, there is need to go for filtration of this hot solution. Hot solution means in hot condition only we need to proceed for filtration slowly. Little amount of solvent we have to filter. Afterward, once we complete with the filtration process, we have to keep that conical flask at room temperature for cooling. As we know, the compound which we have added in the particular solvent, that is insoluble at room temperature and it is solubilized only in hot condition, that means at the boiling point of solvent. So once we keep this solution for cooling at room temperature, the temperature goes down coming toward the room temperature. During that, there is a slowly pure product in the form of crystal will come out, as the compound is insoluble at room temperature. So during this time, there is no need to provide cold condition. If once the solution get cooled at room temperature, and even if you are not getting the product, then only you need to go for cooling condition. So here we can use ice or ice salt mixture. After formation of crystal, without shaking, we need to go for filtration to collect the pure form of product. So likewise, this crystallization, this recrystallization takes place. So this is a diagrammatic view which just now I have explained. So this is a mixture of impure solid compound which contain this green and red molecule you can see here. So first step is we have to choose a solvent based on the boiling point. That particular boiling point, this compound may get dissolved. So we have to dissolve this compound in a selected solvent. If it is organic solvent, we need to go for water bath. If it is a plain water, then we can go for direct heating. So when this boiling point of solvent will reach, your compound may get dissolved. If it not get dissolved, add little more amount of the solvent to get it dissolved. Once it dissolve completely, you have to add a charcoal. Heat for 2 minutes and then go for filtration in hot condition only. Then after filtration you have to wait for cooling at room temperature. So likewise there will be formation of crystal. You can see green color shows the pure crystals which form in this conical, and there will be a mother liquor, and then you have to separate out this pure form of crystal from the mother liquor by filtration. So this is a process of recrystallization which is mostly used in organic synthesis. Hope you understood about this recrystallization process and enjoyed the session. Thank you.